Hi, I'm colleague from the OnceHub support team, and today I'm going to walk you through the associated calendars section of a booking page in OnceHub. The associated calendars section plays an important role in how the availability is calculated for your booking pages. It lets you control which calendars OnceHub checks before showing the available time slots to your clients. And also, you can use this section to determine on which calendar you want the meetings to be booked. Now, it's also important to note that each user can directly integrate with one primary calendar only. However, if you have additional calendars that are shared with the integrated calendar, or if you have a sub-calendar under the integrated calendar, they can still be used through this associated calendar section to receive the bookings or to block busy times. We need to keep in mind that calendar sharing works within the same calendar platform only. So for example, Google Calendars can be shared with Google Calendars only and Outlook with Outlook. Cross-platform sharing is not supported currently. So let's see where to find this section. So I've signed into my OnceHub account and I'll go to Booking Pages. So for today's example, I want to have my phone meetings be booked in my sub-calendar called phone meeting. Let me show you my calendar here. This is my main calendar and I've created a sub-calendar called phone booking. I want all my phone bookings to be on this calendar and not my main calendar. So I'll go to my booking page phone meeting. Here on the left, you can see the associated calendar section. Currently, it's using the settings from my profile, which means the meetings are created in my main calendar, which is this one. Now, I want it to be created in the phone booking calendar. So in order to customize this, we need to use this option that says customize calendar settings for this booking page only. Once I select this, I will get the option to select the phone booking calendar as the main calendar. Additionally, I can also check for busy times from any other calendar that is shared with me or from any sub-calendar that I have. You can also have the same booking get duplicated to any other calendar that you have shared with you. Once you have made the necessary selection, you can click on Save. And from now onwards, any booking that I get on this booking page phone meeting would show up in this phone booking calendar. And this helps prevent double bookings and ensures your availability stays accurate across all relevant calendars. Your booking page will now respect the availability from all associated calendars you have configured. And that's how the associated calendar section works in OnceHub. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. We'd be happy to assist. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more OnceHub tutorials. Thank you for watching.